Hello, this is Abe with You Learning Math with a quick video preview of systems of equations, word problems. There are 15 word problems here. This is a Microsoft Forms quiz. So the Microsoft Forms quiz can be used on a desktop and also on a mobile device. And there are many options for you to choose from. Just click the three dots on the top right. Settings. You could set a start date and end date, shuffle your questions, can customize your thank you message, and also get email notifications for every response. We go ahead and scroll through all of the questions just so you can make sure that this Microsoft Forms quiz is right for you. Make sure to follow us on Teacher Pay Teacher, where every new product is only $1 for the first 24 hours. Have a great day.